Hello student, in this video we will discuss important case study questions and answers. So first we will start with first question. What are the reasons for product failure in the market? High cost management, high market competition, lack of substance, defects in material, failure of sales statistics, high fuel cost. Second question. What are the best strategies or improvements to increase sales? Modernizing the design, comparison with another object, good publicity, conduct better research and development, educating about the material. Third question. How is your material different from other materials? Different in material quality, difference in material capacity, the material is much safer, we provide sales services at all location, we provide loan facility at good interest rate. Explain the methods of price determinations. Pricing is the art of expressing the value of an object in monetary terms at a particular time. Price of cream layer, intersections price, direct pricing, cost based pricing. Next question. How do you decide how to advertise your product? Through the internet, through newspaper, by sending emails directly to customers, by putting up displays, by placing advertisement on television, by issuing seed letters. Next question. Answer the question that comes up on sorting. So if the question comes on sorting, then you have to write it is based on market principle, a strategy used to improve demand, tries to meet consumer needs, more stability can be maintained, the characteristics of the buyer can be determined, makes it easier for sellers to sell, distribution can be done by setting up more sales centers in the city. Next question. As a sales manager, explain the good tips to have high sales shares in the market. Hiring an efficient salesperson, training salespeople, using an extensive advertisement strategy, arranging supply of goods according to demand, identifying consumer complaints and solving problems, improving productions. Next question. Explain development techniques. Advertisement, personal selling, sales promotion. State the growth mixtures for the following substances. Beauty ads, advertising, personal selling, promotions, sales techniques. Wristwatch, promoted by actors and actresses. Cars, cars are advertised through written, print, audio, visual media. So these are the important questions for your semester exam. We will meet in next video. Thank you.